Today is a happy day, boys, but it's also a sad day, and that's because these are the last two cops that I have from not only Supreme, but from Palace Fall/Winter 2024. I suppose from Palace is more specifically from Holiday 2024. And in today's video, I'm going to be unbagging both of these items, wearing one, showing the other one off, and doing everything I believe needs to be done in a good unboxing video. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Just a reminder for everyone to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you fuck with new Supreme and Palace unboxing content you want to keep seeing on the channel. We got the Thomas Eye View camera right here. And the first item is from Supreme Fall/Winter 2024, a very popular item, but it's not the most popular version of this item. You'll see what I mean in a second. Simple enough. Let's see if we got lucky on some stickers for the very last Supreme Cop of Fall/Winter 24. Ooh, we actually did.
Yatta!
We got the Red Eyes sticker. Nice big graphic on that. Very cool. I think it's my second one. Red box logo, which is all I really expect. And then this one, which is the Diamonds shirt, which I believe was a Winter 2024 shirt. Looks very nice as a sticker, nice and big. Got the banner down low with the Old English font, very sick. And then yes, the face mask balaclava, which I think is 3M. This is the windstopper face mask Fall/Winter 24 in black, one size. And I'm excited that I will actually be using this guy in Park City, Utah. I'm doing one more ski trip, boys. Flagstaff was not enough for me. And we will be getting this out of the package. If I can just get it open, geez. Ooh, very lightweight. If I compare it to my other one, which is really old, this one is a fair bit thinner, but actually has a very warm interior liner, which I didn't know was actually present on these windstopper face masks. The outer material is a lot softer from my old one. I mean, it's a Gore-Tex polymer, whatever. Gore-Tex Labs windstopper products. Committed to sustainability, thank God. Totally windproof. Okay, wow. Extremely breathable, skin comfort. It doesn't tell me exactly what it's made of. Gross fingernails, sorry about that. Scan to discover more. I guess we can scan to discover more. Well, there you go. We'll put that on in a second. But let's clear off this debris and get into the Palace package. All right, next up from Palace Skateboards. You guys probably already know, it's probably in the title, but this is my pickup from Carhartt, a really great collaboration. I saw pretty fast sellouts. This was my targeted item. I went for a solo cart, and I'm actually bringing it to the post office today because I did in fact sell this on Grailed for a decent little profit. Biggest thing I'm looking forward to seeing is this on a Carhartt WIP blank or is it going to be on a Palace blank? Let's find out. Ooh, there you go. Look at that. Palace. We got the size large and I am going to unbox it. I'm not going to put this on because like I said, I'm selling it to a guy. I think putting on a t-shirt, long sleeve, it's just a little bit more than I'd like to do for my seller, but I will do my best to show you guys how it looks, the quality, and all that can be discerned from a YouTube video. All right, I need to memorize how this was folded. Feels very nice. Heavyweight cotton. Nice double stitch down there at the hem. So let's see how this was folded, guys. I'm going to move the face mask out of the way. I folded it once down the back at the very end. Oh, grabbing too much there. Like that. The sleeve is just like that. Here we go. Then they crossed it. So they cross it over, do the sleeve, do the back. Okay, I can remember that. Let's get the graphic showing. Bam. Big back hit. Nice, heavy duty screen print. Look at that sucker. Palace on the back. Oh, this shirt looks so comfortable. I'm actually jealous. Jealous of myself, jealous of my buyer. Calcat 15, CTC1, no clue what that means. Maybe someone in the comments will know. Let's look at the care instructions. So it is a Carhartt tag. This is a Carhartt shirt, folks. Oh, maybe not. Work in progress, Carhartt Palace logo t-shirt, 100% cotton. Machine wash. Iron print inside out, machine wash cold with similar colors, wash inside out. All the different languages. We got Carhartt textiles. Some German. Florian Peter, what does that say, bro? What do we got going on here? But I'm not super familiar with Palace long sleeve blanks. Let's look. Palace, Carhartt work in progress. I feel like this is a unique blank that was made for this collaboration, which I feel like that's how it should be. If you think about it, if they're teaming up, it should be a new type of material, but very cool tags. Feels very bespoke to the collaboration, which is really good to see. Carhartt work in progress, Palace. This is not openable. It's just a big cardboard tag with the cotton organic right there. Sorry about the angle. And then it's just a mini logo of the same thing. So I can pick it up. Let's get the light here and do my best to show off what this t-shirt looks like in person. Like I said, not going to put it on. It is going to someone later today. But there it is. Very big back graphic. I mean, that is basically the entire back. Very simple. Nice olive green. Looks great with the contrast, the military colors. This shirt was 98 bucks. I think. Was it 110? I don't remember. It was an expensive long sleeve tee, but nothing insane. And definitely in terms of t-shirts from other brands, I think it's a nice piece of workwear, streetwear combining to bring you a nice high quality long sleeve tee for the colder months and keep you dripped out. Now I'm going to show you guys the face mask and what that looks like for the end of the video. All right, just to show you guys the difference between the two balaclavas, here is my new one. You can see how thin it is. It's got the 3M, and this is the one that I'm replacing. It is foam lined, which is why it's bulkier, has that heavier, floppier shape. And the main reason for the replacement was simply just the Velcro has seen better days. This has done many a ski trip for a long time, and while I guess you could replace the Velcro if you really wanted to be sustainable, I figured let's just get rid of this thing. I might keep it. I don't know what, it's not worth anything, but this is the original balaclava from 2014, or the original to me balaclava. I know they made them earlier, and I guess technically I've been saying balaclava. What I mean to say is face mask. This is not a balaclava. It is a face mask, so sorry for saying the wrong thing. Definitely not the first time I've done that, or the last time I will do that. But yep, just gonna cut off the tag for this guy and put on the new windstopper face mask. Now that the audio is probably sounding weird, it feels comfortable, feels warm. I can breathe through it very easily. It's lightweight. Everything you want from a face mask. Looks cool, feels great. And that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. What was your favorite item that I picked up today? Was it the functional, cheap face mask? Or was it the stylish long sleeve tee from Palace and Carhartt WIP? Back it on up, boys. We gotta make room for spring, summer 25. You won't want to miss it here on SupThomas. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.